New security things in operating system is this HTTPS, WTLS and SSL protocols, and also this Symbian operating system is with WIM framework and certificate based application installation. Let's see how does this certificate based application installation is working. As you can see, the installation security warning was pop up when a software is going to be installed. And you can see this diagram, the location, user environment and local services, network services are all the security issues for this operating system. Let's move on to application platforms in Symbian operating system. There are several application platforms in Symbian operating system. Some of them are Series 60, Series 80, UIQ and Series 90. In Series 60, it has additional voice communication, multimedia messaging. In Series 80, it has large horizontal screens, and also in UIQ, customable pen-based user interface platforms for media-rich mobile phones, and the newer version of platform is Series 90 platform. Let's see the processor modes in Symbian operating system. It has ARM processor with 32-bit registers in privileged mode and 17-bit user mode, and also it has supervisor mode. In user mode, it runs user-level applications like file servers and Windows servers. In supervisor mode, it uses kernel-owned device drivers, and also its synchronization policies does power management, and also it allocates memory to its end user mode. Let's go to the memory management system. In memory management system, these hardware devices are supporting maximum of RAM drive 2 GB, and also flash and expansive card memory is used for storage. The kernel runs with its own protected address space, so programs memory leak or stack overrun can't override the kernel's stack or heap, which would cause a system crash. In file management system in Symbian operating system, it uses VFAT file hierarchy system for file management. In Symbian operating system, it provides local file systems like ROM, RAM and removable media. The inbuilt file manager system in Symbian operating system is with basic functions like copy, rename, move, delete, view properties, change file attributes like that. But there are also third-party applications like Symbian Explorer, XY Explorer, F Explorer to do the same task in a better way. In Symbian operating system, it also uses processors and threads. Let's see what are those processors and threads and how it works. Processors and threads are supporting multitasking and multithreading, and also only the applications can have access to the user interface. A process can have one or more threads, and these functions are also like desktop computer in today's world. And also these threads can set priority levels like computers. All user processes have their own memory addresses, spaces, and all the threads within the same process share the same memory address space. Each processor and threads have their own stack and heaps. These threads have absolute and relative methods. The absolute is ignoring the priority of process owning the threads, and the relative is overall priority of a thread is defined as a priority of the process owning the threads plus the relative priority value. Let's see the mutual execution and synchronization methods used in Symbian operating system. As you can see, wait methods and signals are used for mutual exclusion and synchronization in Symbian operating system. In Symbian OS, critical sections are used for synchronizing exclusive access to shared resources within a single process. Our next concern is on success of Symbian OS. In technical success of Symbian operating system, it has large software development community and also develop platform for phones designing for 3G networks, and it is linking between running time and dynamically shared libraries. And if we get the commercial success of Symbian operating system, Symbian OS worldwide installed base reached almost 48 million phones. At last, here we came to the conclusion part of our research. As you can see, the user base of these devices grown over time. The possibility of serious threats will emanate. Control the software distribution channels, and the biggest concern is the hijacking of radio facilities of mobile devices. Also, mobile worms and viruses will be a greater challenge in future unless safeguards become a standard provision of the new devices. But because of these things, software engineers create antivirus softwares for mobile devices. Our special thanks goes to Mr. Lakmal Rupasinghe, the lecturer in charge Programming Language and Design Concept in Sri Lanka Institute of Information Technology. And this is our group members who are working with this research. And thank you very much.